Let's say you run a business, or even just manage a website. You've built trust with your customers, your partners, your team. Then, one day, someone sends out fake emails using your domain. And suddenly, that trust? Gone. That's not a scary story. It's reality for thousands of domains every day. And it's exactly why DMARC exists. Hi everyone, I'm Geran, email security expert at PowerDMARC. And in this video, I'll walk you through what DMARC actually is, why it matters now more than ever, and how you can set it up in just a few steps, even if you're not a tech expert. Okay, so what is DMARC? It stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication Reporting and Conformance. Bit of a mouthful. But think of it like this. DMARC is your domain's personal bodyguard. It works alongside SPF and DKIM, two other email security protocols, to check every email that claims to be from you. If something doesn't add up, DMARC steps in and says, nope, this isn't legit. And here is the powerful part. It also tells receiving email providers what to do. Should they let that sketchy email through? Should they send it to spam? Or should they block it completely? Plus, DMARC gives you detailed reports, so you can see exactly who's trying to use your domain, legitimately or not. So, how did DMARC come to be? Back in 2012, phishing attacks were everywhere. Cybercriminals were sending fake emails that looked like they came from trusted brands like PayPal, Google, Microsoft, and people were falling for it. So, those same brands got together. They realized if they didn't step in, no one would trust email anymore. So they teamed up to create a shared standard. Their message was clear. If this message didn't come from us, and it can't prove it, don't deliver it, period. And just like that, DMARC was born. And it changed the email security forever. Why does DMARC matter now more than ever? Here's the thing. DMARC has gone from optional to non-negotiable. As of 2025, Google, Yahoo, and Microsoft all require DMARC for bulk senders. If you send emails without it, your messages might get rejected or never reach the inbox at all. But it's not just about following the rules. It's about protecting your domain from being spoofed. Without DMARC, anyone can pretend to be you. And that can destroy trust faster than anything else. DMARC helps you block spoofed emails, protect your reputation, improve deliverability, and gain visibility into how your domain is being used. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but also incredibly complicated, don't worry, I promise, it's not as bad as it seems. In fact, many businesses are setting it up right now. Here's the simple roadmap. Make sure you've already got SPF and DKIM configured for your domain. Think of them as the foundational security layers. DMARC builds on top of them. Generate your DMARC record. This is where tools like PowerDMARC's DMARC generator come in super handy. You'll input your domain, choose your policy, like none for monitoring, quarantine to send to spam, or reject to block completely, and specify where you want your DMARC report sent. This generator will then give you the exact DMARC record you need. Add this DMARC record to your domain's DNS. This is usually done through your domain registrar or DNS hosting provider. It's a simple text entry, and it will look something like this. Now, none is important. It means you're starting in monitoring mode. DMARC will gather reports for you, but it won't block any emails just yet. It's like gathering intel before taking action. Finally, verify your DMARC record. You can use PowerDMARC's DMARC checker or similar tools to confirm that your record is correctly published and visible. This ensures that email providers can actually see and apply your DMARC policy. Once that's done, DMARC reports will start rolling in. Keep an eye on them. They reveal exactly who's sending emails from your domain, legit or not. That's your intel. Once you've analyzed those reports and they're confident everything's legitimate, you can then move to quarantine, which sends suspicious emails to spam, or even reject to block them completely. So there you have it, DMARC in a nutshell. What started as a collaborative effort by some of the biggest names in tech has become one of the most critical defenses you can put in place to protect your email, domain, and your brand. If you're not using DMARC yet, honestly, now is the time to start. DMARC isn't a nice to have anymore. It's a must. It doesn't have to be complicated. Tools like PowerDMARC, for example, are designed to make setup and monitoring super straightforward, even if you're not a seasoned tech expert. Alright, that's your quick DMARC crash course. Stay secure out there, make sure your emails are truly coming from you, and keep those scammers at bay. Got questions or need help? Drop them in the comments or check the links in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.